In a country with population of almost 139 crores, only 6.6 crore people filed their taxes for the financial year 2020 to 21. Does the huge difference in these numbers amount to the common belief that most people don't pay their taxes? One thing that most taxpayers do not realize is the power they hold when it comes to filing taxes and saving money on them. But the question is, does India need more encouragement and education when it comes to taxes? Let's break these down, one at a time. Hello and welcome to Untaxing Taxes. My name is Ridhima Sharma, and here at Quicko, we help hundreds of thousands of taxpayers file their taxes. So we decided to sneak a peek at taxes in India. We've all heard that India has a low income tax base. But why is that? India is still a developing country, so the tax structure is designed in a way that doesn't put too much burden on the poor. Our country follows a progressive tax system where the tax rates increase as the income goes up. The average per capita income in India is rupees 1.4 lakhs, meaning that an average Indian earns rupees 1.4 lakhs per year. For the financial year 2020 to 21, out of 6.6 crore people who filed their ITR, almost 4.8 crore reported their income below 5 lakhs. In India, only citizens earning more than rupees 5 lakh a year are required to pay taxes. The basic exemption threshold is almost 3 times the average per capita income, so a major chunk of the population is not liable to pay taxes. While drawing a comparison between India and other countries, the tax structure is quite different. An average American earning per capita income pays an income tax of 22%. Similarly, in countries like Germany, China, France, the basic exemption threshold is set less than the average income earned, which consequently results to a better income tax base. So India has a low income tax base not because people are hiding stacks of cash in their ceilings or under the mattress. Well, some may be, but because the average income of an Indian falls way below the basic exemption limit, not all Indians pay taxes. Now, paying taxes is one thing and filing your return is another. With almost 10 crore registered taxpayers, why did only 6.6 crore file their returns this financial year? Comparing the data for the last 2 financial years, filing growth saw an increase of merely 1.04%. Is filing returns mandatory only for individuals who are paying taxes? Or can the process be dodged by not disclosing sources of income? With CBDT, the governing body of Income Tax Department, partnering with various organizations like SEBI, CBIC, Ministry of MSME, the level of income data accessibility is only growing with time. This synergy enables ITD to have better insights into the taxpayer's financial profile. Bottom line, if you fail to report any sources of income, chances are the ITD already has an eye on it. 2016 played a major role in wiping out tax evasions. Thanks to demonetization, tax collection saw a 20% surge as compared to the previous year. Along with that, financial year 2016 to 17 also reported an increase in tax filers by 1 crore. Apart from some escaping taxes, another reason for less filing could be the cumbersome process and just the fact that taxes sometimes can be taxing. If you fall within the 5 lakh income bracket, you are not liable to pay taxes on your income. However, filing your return can prove to be beneficial in various ways. Here's why you should start filing your return. If you're looking to claim a refund for TDS that was deducted on income earned, you need to file your return. ITR serves as a valid proof of income when you're applying for visa or loans. Income tax rules allow you to carry forward your losses and set them off against subsequent gains, though you need to file your ITR within the specified due date. More than anything, it is important that you file your returns to keep the government informed. Being on the right side of the law never hurt anyone. Apart from these benefits, the government is making continuous reforms to the tax structure in India. Along with multiple e-return intermediaries, taxes have become much simpler. India has come a long way from tax rates as high as 97.75% to a tax rate of 30%. The continuous reforms made to make taxation simpler has helped India rise to the 63rd position in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business. Over time, filing taxes has become less taxing, with the ITD facilitating better transparency and accessibility with initiatives like e-Nivaran, e-PAN card, pre-filled XMLs. The stigma around taxes is slowly fading away. Taxes are no longer a topic of discussion for only the old and wise, but also for the young and restless. And with Untaxing Taxes, we just make it elementary for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to Quigo if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us.